चैप्टर 14 हमारे पास स्टैटिक्स और इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर्मूलेज। मीन, फर्स्ट मेथड डायरेक्ट मेथड। डायरेक्ट मेथड x dash means mean is equal to summation fi xi divided by summation fi. First method. Second method assumed mean. X dash equal to a plus summation fd upon summation f. Third method step deviation method. X dash is equal to a plus summation fi ui divided by summation fi into h. Question number first given. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. Number of plants. Number of plants, that is class interval. Number of houses. Number of plant class interval is 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. And frequency is denoted by Fi. 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. And midpoint, that is xi. 0 plus 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. 2 plus 4, that is 6 divided by 2, is equal to 3. 4 plus 6, 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 5. So 7, 9, 11 and 13. And Fi xi, 1 into 1, that is equal to 1, 2 3s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 7 5s are 35, Fi into Xi, 9 6 are 54, 11 2 are 22, 13 3 are 39, and summation Fi Xi is equal to 9 plus 2 11 plus 4 15 plus 5 20 plus 5 25 plus 6 31 plus 1 32, 2 3 carry, 3 plus 2 5 plus 5 10 plus 3 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. And sum of frequency is equal to 12 houses. Summation Fi is equal to 20. So direct mean is equal to summation Fi Xi divided by summation Fi. And Fi Xi we have 162 divided by 20. 2 tens are 20 and 81 twos are 162, and 81 divided by 10, that is equal to 8.1. Answer 81 divided by 10, 10 8s are 80, 1.0, 10 1s are 10. So we get the answer. Mean is equal to 8.1. Answer. Given number of plants is denoted by class interval Ci, 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, and 12 to 14. And number of houses is denoted by frequency Fi. So frequency given 1 2 1 5 6 2 3, 1 2 1 5 6 2 3. So Xi, that is mid value of class interval 0 to 2. 0 plus 2 is 2, divided by 2 is equal to 1. Xi. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 plus 6, 10 divided by 2, 5. So 7, 9, 11 and 13. And we multiply Fi and Xi. Fi into Xi, 1 1s are 1, 2 3s are 6, 1 5s are 5, 5 7s are 35, 6 9s are 54, 2 11s are 22, and 13 3s are 39. And sum of Fi Xi is equal to 162. Mean Xi direct method is equal to summation Fi Xi upon summation Fi. So Fi Xi is equal to 162 and summation Fi is 20. 81 twos are 162 and 10 twos are 20. 81 divided by 10, we get 8.1. Answer. Question number 2. Question 2 is, consider the following distribution of a daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Daily wages. Daily wages that is class interval and number of workers. Number of workers, Fi. Class interval is 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, and 180 to 200. And frequency 12, 14, 8, 6, and last 10. Mid value, that is xi. 100, 120, bit 110, 130, 150, 170, lastly 190. 100 plus 120 divided by 2. 220 divided by 2, that is equal to 110. 100 plus 120 is equal to 220, and 220 divides 2, that is equal to 110. Similarly, 120 plus 140, that is equal to 260, and 260 divided by 260 divided by 2, that is equal to 130. Similarly, 150, 170, 190. So di is equal to, assume A is equal to 150 xi minus A. (110 minus 150). Xi means 110 minus 150. Its assumption, assume A is equal to, let A is equal to 150. Its assumption, assumed mean method, let A is 150, 110 minus 150, that is equal to minus 40. And 130 minus 150, that is equal to minus 20. 150 minus 150, that will be 0. 170 minus 150, that is equal to positive 20. And 190 minus 150, that is positive 40. So Fi di. Fi is here 12, first number, and minus 40. 12 multiplied by 40, 480. 12 multiplied by 40, that is equal to 480, but negative 480. Minus multiplied by plus, that gives negative value. And 14 multiplied by 20, 14 to 28, 0. Negative multiplied by positive number, that will be negative. 8 multiplied by 0, answer is 0. 6 multiplied by 20, answer is 120. 6 to 12 and 0, that is 120. 10 multiplied by 40 is equal to 400. Sum of positive number, that is equal to 520. and sum of negative number 0, 6, 8 plus 8, 16, 4 plus 2, 6, plus 1, 7, minus 760. 760, 520. Subtracting 0, 4, 2, and this is negative, so we get minus 240. Summation FIDI is equal to minus 240 by assumed mean method. Assumed mean x dash is equal to a plus summation FIDI upon summation FI is equal to assumed a is equal to 150 plus FIDI is equal to minus 240 divided by sum of frequency, that is equal to 50 workers means their sum is equal to 50 divided by 50. 0, 0 is cancelled, but 150 minus plus multiply by minus, that is minus 24 upon 5. B divide 24 by 5. 5 4s are 20, 4.05, 8s are 40. This is cancelled by 4.8. So 150 minus 4.8. 150.00 minus 4.80. 0, 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, and here 9. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, and 4, 1. This implies 150 minus 4.8 is equal to 145.20. Answer. Given daily wages, class interval 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, and 180 to 200. It's class interval, but number of workers, that is FI, frequency 12, 14, 8, 6, and 10. So XI, that is mid value, class interval 100 to 120, 100 plus 120, that is equal to 220, and 220 divided by 2, that is 110. Similarly, 120 to 140, between 120 to 140 is 130, and 140 to 150, between 140 to 160, that is 150, 160 to 180, that is 170, 180 to 200, that is 190. So DI, assume A is equal to 150, DI is equal to XI minus A, 110 minus 150, that is minus 40. 130 minus 150, that is minus 20. 150 minus 150, that will be 0. 170 minus 150, that is equal to 20. And 190 minus 150, that is 40. So FIDI, B multiplying 12 and minus 40, that is minus 480. 14 multiplied by minus 20, that is 280, and their sum is minus 760, negative minus 760. So 6 multiplied by 20 is 120, and 10 multiplied by 40 is equal to 400. And positive number, sum of positive number is 520. 760 minus 520, that is minus 240, and minus 240 FIDI, we get FIDI is equal to 240. And sum of frequency, that is 50 workers, so FI is equal to 50. By assumed mean method, XI is equal to A plus summation FIDI upon summation FI. Assume A is equal to 150. A is equal to 150 plus FIDI is minus 240, and divided by FI is 50. 0, 0 is cancelled, and we divide 24 by 5, that is 4.8. 4.8 and 150 minus 4.8, we get 145.20 answer. Thank you so much.